Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. In today's basic and quick video, we will learn how to pin a document into a taskbar of Windows 10. So let's go ahead and drag this document, and when you see the word pin to word, leave it. Once you have pinned this document into your taskbar, you can go here and right click from your mouse. You will have three options. Testing pin, the document we have pinned just a few seconds ago, to open a Word so that we can create a new or blank document. And the third option we have Unpin from taskbar. So let's go to first option. We want to open this document from our pin documents. Let's click on this, and this will open this testing pin documents for us. The next option we have here is to open a Word. Let's go ahead and click on Word, because this pin a test document also pin a Word application for us here. So this is opening a Word, and then we can go to blank document and create a new test document here. Let's again right click on here, and if you want to remove testing pin our this pin documents from here, and we just want the word app to pin here always. So again, right click on this pin, and you will have this option: open, edit, new, print or unpin from the list. And you could also see the properties. So let's first see the properties of this document, then we will unpin this document from our taskbar. So here you could get the properties of the document, right? Size on disk, and created and access and modified and advanced, all these settings. Let's close this and check the next option. Right click on Word app and go to testing pin, and then again go to unpin from the list, and let's click on unpin from the list. We have unpinned the documents from the list. Let's say we want this app to unpin from the list. We can just right click on here taskbar and then go to unpin from taskbar. And now we have unpinned the Word app from our taskbar. So that's it about today's simple tutorial, that how we can pin program, how we can pin documents to get their access immediately from our taskbar, or how we can pin application to get access from taskbar immediately. Thanks for watching. Keep watching ITPK. Take care. Bye.